And then
Get
it,
it?
oh,
There you go.
that's a lot easier. No.
You've never tried one before?
Never.
Okay, awesome. So just wrap it twice. Good. So it's actually pretty secure. I would say it's a little bit loose, but I don't think I would make it any tighter because if she wore it like that, how does it feel in your hair? Does it feel
Like
secure?
it doesn't feel like normally when I just wrap it twice, it like
Yeah.
falls out. But
Right?
this
It
is,
feels
like,
a little bit
staying.
loose, right?
Yeah, but it's staying in.
Yeah, exactly. Which
Normally
is
it
only
doesn't.
good.
When I
Normally they
just
just
do it.
slip out.
Yeah.
You have pretty thick hair and it's pretty heavy.
Found it. And then
Get
it,
it?
oh,
There you go.
that's a lot easier than like yank. Because normally I have to
Right.
cut them out of my hair. This is a lot
Yeah.
easier.
And what are the main problems you usually have with hair ties? Is they fall out or?
Yeah, they fall out, and if I have to take them out, they rip chunks out of my hair.
Right. Okay, awesome. So if you were to recommend it, would you recommend this for like other kids to try
Yes,
out? For
definitely,
like
for
thicker
sure.
hair or thinner hair? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Awesome. Well, appreciate it. And thank you for trying it out.
No
You're all set.
problem. It's neat.